Folks, wanted to show you what we rented. I want to be able to stay on the ocean. We came close. This is the Intercoastal Waterway, North Carolina, down close to Atlantic Beach in Beaufort. So we rented this houseboat. It's permanently docked. So it's not that it floats out anywhere, but it's pretty cool. Oh, something's jumping out there. We're in this little inlet. Can I give a rundown of the side of it? A little back porch, it's got air conditioning and everything you need, electricity. You can see how it's tied up here. And you're sitting right out here on the one of the inlets that'll take you right out to the ocean. Nice little porch. A couple rocking chairs on it. Now this is at an RV resort slash marina, small marina. There's a couple of houseboats here, but I see there's a lot of boats coming in and out because they have a spot to launch them off the ramp. It's pretty interesting. Just kind of sit out here, watch the guys fishing, watch the boats coming in. So these guys are coming in from the ocean. You see them kind of going up through this way, they're going more inland. Whereas on the other side of the bridge, that takes you out to the ocean. And that boat that's kind of over there in front of us must be some kind of, oh, it's obviously a fishing boat, but don't know if it's for shrimp or what it's for. Being on the houseboat, we'll be able to see some of these guys coming in and out. We're watching for fish or any type of marine life while we're here, but this is where we're at. Nice little spot. Didn't bring any fishing gear. Probably should have. So you can just cast right off the deck here. You see these guys out here doing some fishing. Over there in the distance, you'll see a half-submerged boat. Must have been from one of the storms or hurricanes or something came through. Looks like it's been there for quite some time. So if you're interested, this is in Beaufort, North Carolina. Looks like they're going to create some more RV spots. And I haven't wandered over, we just got here, so I didn't wander over to the RV side yet, but let's see if I can wander over there. Alright, so we've got to the front of the houseboat. We'll go inside and take a look. First you walk in, you've got the kitchen, living room area, and all the windows out front, facing over the water. They do have dish network with a television, but may or may not use it. Dishwasher here. You've got the microwave oven, little toaster oven, fridge freezer. Nice little spot to eat at the island. And as you wander down the hallway, come in the first bedroom with queen size bed. It's got good closet space. Storage there. Next room we go to, we got the bathroom, toilet, shower, sink, everything you need in there. And the second bedroom with 2 single beds in it, closet again. This door goes up to the back of the houseboat. Nothing that you would really use. There's some good light that comes in through here. And that is the whole inside of the houseboat. Not a bad size. It's kind of nice. You're just floating here every time the boats go by. Or you're just kind of tied up floating. You can feel the waves when the big ones go by. That is the inside of the houseboat that we rented.